Welcome back to our channel Razka TV. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of drone cameras, a technology that's revolutionized everything from filmmaking to agriculture. But have you ever wondered how this incredible invention came to be? Let's find out. World War I, when pilotless aircraft were developed for military use. However, it wasn't until the late 20th century that drone technology truly began to evolve. In the early 2000s, drones started becoming more accessible for civilian use, thanks to advancements in technology and a decrease in manufacturing costs. Initially, drones were primarily used for aerial surveillance and data collection, but innovators quickly realized their potential for photography and videography. The real game changer came in 2010 when French company Parrot launched the AR.drone, the first quadcopter to be controlled by a smartphone. This innovation opened the door for hobbyists and professionals alike to explore the possibilities of aerial photography. The AR.drone was equipped with a basic camera, but it was enough to spark the imagination of tech enthusiasts worldwide. Enter DJI, a Chinese company that took the drone market by storm. In 2013, DJI released the Phantom 1, which became a benchmark for consumer drones. With its built-in camera and user-friendly controls, the Phantom series made it easier than ever to capture stunning aerial footage. Over the years, drone cameras have become more sophisticated. Today's models boast high-resolution cameras, advanced stabilization systems, and intelligent flight modes. Drones like the DJI Mavic series have set new standards for portability and performance, making professional-grade aerial photography accessible to everyone. The impact of drone cameras extends far beyond just cool videos. They've transformed industries such as real estate, where they provide stunning property visuals, and agriculture, where they help farmers monitor crops more efficiently. In filmmaking, drones have allowed directors to achieve shots that were once impossible without expensive equipment. So what's next for drone cameras? As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more improvements in image quality, battery life, and autonomous flight capabilities. The possibilities are endless, and we can't wait to see where this innovation takes us next. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history and evolution of drone cameras. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating tech stories. Until next time, keep exploring the skies.